Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna help you to set up watch faces on your Huawei Watch GT. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up our watch by pressing this digital crown. And now press and hold the screen. Swipe left or right to choose your preferred watch face. And as you can see, underneath some of them, you'll find this settings icon. Let's click it. Let's click again and click this settings icon. And now you can replace the content of this watch face. For example, heart rate we can replace to calories. Sleep we can replace to steps, and so on. And when you're done, just simply press this crown again. Great! Now, the second way to change your watch faces is through Huawei Health app. Let's open it and go in Devices tab. Here we click More, and now you can find many options which you can buy, but also there are free ones. Just click on Free, and now you can install which one you like the most. Now, if you go back here again, then click on Mine, you will find your all installed watch faces. And if you click Gallery right here, you can set up your own photo by clicking this plus, go in Gallery, and now select a photo. You can even adjust its size, and when you're done, just confirm. And then click Save, and now just wait a little bit. As you can see, I have set up my own photo, and now I can tap on Style and change the style of phones. If I click on Layout, I will be able to change the placement of time. And now Widgets, and here you can find that now I have a heart rate widget, this little heart icon, and I can change it to steps, for example. And when you're done, just click Save. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.